Hi, this is Kimball Bullington, and this is a video about embedding Excel graphics into Word and wrapping the text around the graphics. So that's, if we look at the template that you're given in the Redstone assignment, you see a graphic, an Excel spreadsheet here. It's actually just a picture of one that's embedded into text, and then the text is wrapped around this. So how do we do this? So I'm going to first delete what we have here, and then bring another file over. So we'll go to our Excel spreadsheet, and I've created a bar chart, a clustered bar chart like you should have, and just going to click on it on the outside here, and right click, and I'll hit copy. And then we go back to our Word document and go in somewhere near where you want the graphic to be, and right click. And then you have a number of paste options. So if I do the first paste option, you see that the colors are significantly different. It's using the destination theme, so it's using the theme in Word. So Word has some default theme there, I guess, that it's using, and that's okay, but it's not. It doesn't look like I spent time getting the colors the way I wanted them, and it doesn't look that way. So I go to the next one, and I say use the source formatting and embed the workbook, and that's what I want. Your instructions said to embed the workbook. I'd like to have the colors like I adjusted them, and so I'll click, and so there we have it. But that doesn't really look so great. First of all, I'm gonna shrink it a little bit, because the other one was shrunk a little bit, and you see up here a layout option. Now, if yours doesn't have this, then and you're clicked on the outside, then right click, and you'll see a wrap text box down here that looks just like the icon that I have. So I'm going to click on this icon, and you're given different text wrapping options. I'm going to use this one called through, and when I do that, then there it is. Well, oops, didn't mean to do that. Move it back over. I want to slide the whole thing over to the right to where it's close to the border, and there I have embedded my Excel spreadsheet into my document and sized it and wrapped the text around it. Hope that helps. Thanks.